What's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Hedera Hashgraph, what's going on in the Hedera Hashgraph. And my friend, that is the warning news for all Hedera Hashgraph holders, because the whole chain is occurring in the Hedera Hashgraph is negative. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, chain is occurring in the Hedera Hashgraph is completely going down, my friends. Not only at this time, not only the Hedera Hashgraph price chain is negative, the Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba Inu, a lot of cryptocurrencies price chain is negative. I mean, the people are so worrying about these chains, and the people are so shocked about cryptocurrencies market that what should we do in this critical situation, my friends? No one can understand, my friends. But my friends, don't worry, everything will be okay, my friends. Just patience. Now the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph is 0.172992 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so you can see that the whole chain is negative. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week chain is occurring. The Hedera Hashgraph is negative completely, my friends. Price down occurring the Hedera Hashgraph, my friends. You can see here, oh my goodness, you can see here in the beginning of the 9th July the price started jumping, but now again the situation is going negative, my friends. So again the price of Hedera Hashgraph is going down, my friends. No one can understand that what should we do in this critical situation. I think that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Just hold Hedera Hashgraph, my friends. Absolutely, if you hold Hedera Hashgraph for a long time, so I'm sure that they will give you profit, not loss. Please hold, don't decide to sell, because my friends, just imagine, my friends, for instance, if you decide to sell Hedera Hashgraph, so you can see that changes is negative 7.06%. so that's mean that you are in the loss, not in profit, my friends. So why you decide to sell, my friends? Just hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.